now let's get on the reveal just quickly as possible. So for this thing you need two cubes, one the normal cube and another one is also a normal cube. The difference is that I changed the stickers, as you can see, and like this. So I just peeled off sticker from this cube and put it on this cube, and I peeled the sticker from this cube and put it right like there. From wherever I peeled up the stickers, look, you can see this piece is completely blue, which is does not make any sense. So once you get this cube done, it's really easy now you can do so like this. So it's RU2 RU2, like it's the whole cube solved, right? But this side isn't solved, so you can do RU2 RU2. And now what you're gonna do is that show the people this side. Okay, this side you show, and then you do U2 R prime U2 R prime, and this thing already is in front of them, so they can see only this. And then what you do is that just hop the cube, like just throw it in air and just twist this thing, and it seems like it's just magically solved. So it's really amazing trick to fool people who doesn't know really much about cubing and can catch things like this having the same color, this having the, like, it's impossible, right? So yeah, so again what you do is that U2 U2, show this to people, then you do U2 R prime U2 R prime, they only see this thing, and then you do that and you're done. And just keep this thing in your facing front side so that the people see this thing. And you can also just put this thing on the bottom and then show people this. It's really amazing trick to impress people, but just be sure that this thing isn't just reveal, because it would be really embarrassing in the public. So once again, RU2 show this, U2 R prime U2 R prime, jump, and then bam. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, give it a like, and of course subscribe to see what's coming up next. See you later, guys. Bye.